instrument, then the error is known as instrumental error. Number two, error due to imperfection in experimental technique. Imperfection in experimental technique. Error due to imperfection in experimental technique. Certain apparatus have the certain limitation. For example, if we want to measure the volume with the help of measuring cylinder, then our eye must be in the level of the liquid, otherwise we measure the wrong value. This is the limitation of this apparatus. So the error due to the limitation of the experimental technique. Error due to the limitation of experimental technique are known as imperfection in experimental technique. Number 3, personal error. The error due to the individual lack of proper setting of apparatus, casualness is taken in the considered as a personal error. The error arises due to the individual The error arises due to the individual's bias, lack of proper setting of apparatus or carelessness, etc. are known as personal error. Are known as personal error. Number 4. Due to external condition. The error arises due to the external condition like temperature, pressure, etc. are known as error due to external condition. The error arises due to the change in condition like temperature, pressure, wind, etc. are known as error due to external condition. Error due to external condition. The next is random error. Random error. The error occur at random are known as random error. Are known as random error. Number 4 is least count error. Least count error. The error is due to the limitation of least count of the apparatus. The error least count limitation of an apparatus. For example, if we have a scale between 0 to 1 having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 having 5 division, it means it can measure 1/5 centimeter. If this is a centimeter scale and 0 to 1, number value is 0 to 1, the division is 1/5, it means it can measure minimum 1/5 part of the centimeter. Measure 1/5 part of a centimeter. If we want to measure 1/6 part of centimeter, we cannot measure with the help of it. So this is the limitation of this apparatus. An apparatus